I was driving at night and I could not see the road very well. My cornea was starting to degrade. I wear hard contact lenses and it was starting to irritate my cornea, and that's why my doctor sent me down here to help get some correction.
Mr. Johnston had a long-standing diagnosis of keratoconus. As a result, he had a significant abnormality in the shape of his cornea, which could not be corrected with glasses.
I started out using very small hard contacts, and it was easy enough to put them in, easy enough to take them out, but they would slide around my eyes, especially in the last years of using them, and they would actually pop out of my eye and launch, and I lost probably half a dozen of them just from blinking.
The vision was poor. He was wearing glasses, but not doing all that well with them. And with contact lenses, hard contact lenses, he was functional, but sort of dependent on those contacts. And then even with them, I just sort of couldn't see the world with the normal crispness and clarity and vivacity that you would hope for. So CAIRS is an acronym. It stands for corneal allogenic intrastromal ring segments, which is a mouthful, which is why everybody says CAIRS. The idea is to alter the shape of the patient's cornea in a useful way by implanting a strip of collagen. And this strip of collagen lifts and supports and shifts the patient's corneal curvature to be more normal. It moves it into a more anatomic position.
Now, the CAIRS procedure really did something to correct my nearsightedness. It improved it. It's helping to correct my cornea problem, but as a side thing, my vision in both my eyes is greatly improved.
One of the nice things about CAIRS is that the effect is mechanical and immediate. Instantaneously after the procedure, the cornea is a different shape. So you sit up from the operating room table and the shape of the cornea is improved. In Mr. Johnston's case, I think that resulted in an improved ability to see the eye chart the next day. Now, over time, as you heal around these segments, most people enjoy continued improvement. So I think that the week after the procedure, things were even better. A month after the procedure, things were even better. And then I think after that 1 month visit, he's been stable. In other words, it's just the same good vision that he gets to enjoy, hopefully, for the rest of his life.
I can actually sit in my recliner without any corrective lenses and actually watch a sporting event. I really believed and trusted in what Jack said. I was very comfortable because I'm not as big going to hospitals, but being able to do it here, I wasn't surprised by anything because of the explanations I got on the front end. This was one of the things that I'd really brag about the Parker Cornea folks is they've put me in a position where I'm very comfortable with where I'm headed with what I had done. I would do it again in a heartbeat, and that's what I'd tell anybody that's starting to get concerned about it. Eventually, I will have grandkids, and being able to participate whatever they got going on would really mean a lot.